What if your phone could quietly remind you to take care of your health every day? Now, Brief isn't just about news or entertainment. On Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can turn it into a health-focused snapshot, showing only information that helps you stay balanced and mindful. Let's focus on health and wellness and digital well-being. To do so, go to Settings, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Tap Galaxy AI, scroll down the screen, tap Now Brief, tap Content to include. Now, turn on Health and Wellness, and also Digital Wellbeing. That's it. Now, when relevant data is available, Now Brief can show things like health reminders and wellness insight from Samsung Health, screen time summaries, and usage patterns that help you stay aware of your digital habit. This information appears at a glance without opening multiple apps. As the example, if you are trying to reduce screen time or maintain a healthier daily routine, these two categories are perfect. You get gentle awareness, not constant notification. With right setting, Now Brief becomes less about information overload and more about self-care. It's simple, quiet, and actually useful. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.